All right, guys, I wanted to show you one more example. I went ahead and made everything kind of opposite. So instead of a negative k value, it's now positive. Instead of positive h, it's now a minus sign in there. And then an a value, that's going to be both a reflection and a shrink, just so you can kind of see a little bit of everything. So starting off again with our vertex. So inside the absolute value bars, it says -2, which tells me I'm going to move to the right, 2, always opposite. And then +3 tells me I'm going to move up 3. So I'm going to take my dot and start at the origin. I'm going to move to the right 1, 2 units, and then up 3, 1, 2, 3, and that'll be my vertex. From the vertex then, I'm going to use this a value along with the fact that it's a reflection at the same time. So -2/5 I'm looking at. I know that it's going to be a shrink, so it's going to appear shorter and fatter, and I also know that it's going to be pointing downward since it's negative. So again, remember that that a value acts like a slope. So I'm going to start at my vertex here, and I'm going to do down 2, 1, 2, because it's -2, and then over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And place that down. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the other dots, starting again where my vertex is and moving down 2 because it's -2. But this time I'm going to move the other direction 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because again, it has to be a V. So when you see your 3 dots there, you can see how it's forming the V. I'm going to start at my vertex and connect it with this guy over here. And then again, starting at the vertex and connecting it with the other dot. Again, I know mine look a little funky, so work with me. It wouldn't have been any better if I was drawing it on a whiteboard. We all know that. But it should look something like that. I hope that helps. That's all you're doing today is just graphing. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I hope you guys are doing well.